Hello everybody, how are you? This is our second video on YouTube. In this video, we will see that how to make an heart-shaped ring. See, it is looking so beautiful. We will see this. Things needed to make an heart-shaped ring is a scissor, a pencil, a glue, and a craft paper, and a scale. Only 5 things are needed to make a heart-shaped ring. So let's get started.
We are going to take origami craft paper. This is 8 centimeter. Okay. Then next we will make our craft paper into 2 parts like this way. Then we will fold like this way also. So friends, we will get 4 sides of it on craft paper. Next, what we are going to do, that is we will craft paper here like this way and will nicely fold it so that it not come again out. Okay friends, like this.
Press it little hard.
Then next, here over this craft paper point we will take here. Okay friends, here. We'll go step by step. Like this way. We'll fold nicely and properly. Then next we will open our craft paper and here on this side we will fold like this way friends. Okay, we will this also fold. And here we will just fold it like this way. Then one more like this way. Okay. Now we will back side we are going to do now. Main part. See friends, we will get like this way. Okay.
We have to make a triangle.
Properly we will do, then our heart shape will come very nicely. Okay. Next, here we got like this way. Okay. So we will make this point hidden over here.
Press little hard so it will bend.
So here. Okay. Press it properly so it doesn't come out. Then next, here we have your little gap. So like this way.
It will look like this way, okay?
This side also we will do same way. So friends, it will look like this way. Okay. So friends, it will look like this way. Then this point is there. We will make this point to come here. Okay.
Press it little hard. It is little hard to press.
This side also we will do same way. Then you can see here 2 houses formed. Then next, here our heart shape is ready friends. Next, we will make our strip little tiny.
Small. Fold it, fold it, fold it. And our ring will be ready.
So friends, like this way our ring is little here ready. Okay. Next what we will do, that is
We need to take our hand finger length. See this way. Okay. So this way we have to make our finger length. We have to keep this much distance and cut the remaining part. Okay. So see, I am removing this and I will cut it
so beautiful. So
Yes.
friends,
So friends, like our video, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press